हेलो माइनर्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल माइनिंग सर्वेयर विशाल। तो स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल माइनिंग सर्वेयर विशाल में। तो आज हम कोल माइन रेगुलेशन 2017 का रेगुलेशन नंबर देखेंगे। केवल इसमें हम लोग रेगुलेशन नंबर ही डिस्कस करेंगे और इसको रिमेंबर याद करेंगे। तो कुछ हम बेसिक जानकारी CMR 2017 के बारे में देता हूँ। CMR 2017 27 नवंबर 2017 को लागू हुआ। इससे पहले आपका CMR 1957 चलता था। ठीक, इस CMR में शेड्यूल आपका जो है 1 है और चैप्टर आपके 17 हो जाते हैं। ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं। हम एक एक रेगुलेशन नंबर हम डिटेल हम किसी अन्य वीडियो में जानेंगे, लेकिन इसमें हम केवल रेगुलेशन नंबर याद करेंगे। ठीक है, उसमें रेगुलेशन की बात करें हम लोग तो रेगुलेशन इसमें पूरा 260 है। आगे बढ़ते हैं। रेगुलेशन नंबर 1, शॉर्ट टाइटल कमेंसमेंट एप्लीकेशन एंड एक्सटेंट। रेगुलेशन नंबर 2, डिफिनेशंस। रेगुलेशन नंबर 3, नोटिस ऑफ ओपनिंग। रेगुलेशन नंबर 4, एनुअल रिटर्न्स। रेगुलेशन नंबर 5, नोटिस ऑफ अबेंडमेंट, क्लोजर और डिसकंटिन्यूएंस। रेगुलेशन नंबर 6, नोटिस ऑफ रीओपनिंग। रेगुलेशन नंबर 7, notice of change in ownership and appointment of agent manager etc. Regulation number 8, notice of dangerous occurrence or accident. Regulation number 9, notice of disease. Regulation number 10, board of mining examination. Regulation number 11, certificate granted by board. Regulation number 12, examination and examiners. Regulation number 13, submission of application. Regulation number 14, age limit and general qualification of candidate. रेगुलेशन नंबर 15 से चलते हैं। रेगुलेशन नंबर 15, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ कैंडिडेट फॉर मैनेजर सर्टिफिकेट एग्जामिनेशन। रेगुलेशन नंबर 16, practical experience of candidate for surveyor certificate examination. Regulation number 17, practical experience of candidate for Sardar certificate examination. Regulation number 18, practical experience of candidate for engine driver certificate. Regulation number 19, numbers of attempt at examination. Regulation number 20, fees for grant of certificate. Regulation number 21, exchange certificate. Regulation number 22, duplicate certificate. Regulation number 23, certificate to be delivered to the manager. Regulation number 24, suspension or cancellation of manager certificate, surveyor certificate, overman certificate, engine driver certificate और gas testing certificate. Regulation number 25, validity of certificate for manager and official etc. Regulation number 26, qualification of inspector. Regulation number 27, qualification and appointment of manager. Regulation number 28, charge report of manager. Regulation number 29, qualification and appointment of safety officer. Regulation number 30, appointment of assistant manager. अगला रेगुलेशन 31 से देखते हैं। 31 में क्या कहता है? रेगुलेशन नंबर 31, क्वालिफिकेशन एंड अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ वेंटिलेशन ऑफिसर। रेगुलेशन नंबर 32, अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ इंजीनियर्स। रेगुलेशन नंबर 33, अपॉइंटमेंट एंड क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ सीनियर ऑफिशियल। रेगुलेशन नंबर 34, अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ सर्वेयर। रेगुलेशन नंबर 35, अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ ऑफिशियल एंड कमिटमेंट पर्सन। रेगुलेशन नंबर 36, जनरल मैनेजमेंट Regulation number 37, duties and responsibility of owner. Regulation number 38, general responsibility of supplier, manufacturer and designer. Regulation number 39, responsibility of contractor. Regulation number 40, duties of person employed in mine. Regulation number 41, duties of commitment person. Regulation number 42, duties of officials. Regulation number 43, duties and responsibility of manager. Regulation number 44, duties of safety officer. अगला रेगुलेशन 45 ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. रेगुलेशन नंबर 46 ड्यूटीज ऑफ वेंटिलेशन ऑफिसर. रेगुलेशन नंबर 47 ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ओवरमैन. रेगुलेशन नंबर 48 ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ सरदार. रेगुलेशन नंबर 49 ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ शॉट फायरर. Regulation number 50, duties of support man. Regulation number 51, duty of attendant of man mechanical ventilator. Regulation number 52, duties of lamp roof in charge. Regulation number 53, duties and responsibility of surveyor. Regulation number 54, duties and responsibility of engineer. Regulation number 55, duties of winding engineman. Regulation number 56, duties of banksman and unsetter. Regulation number 57, duties of haulage engineman, attendant, etc. Regulation number 58, duties of locomotive driver. Regulation number 59, duty of cutting and loading machine driver and mechanic or fitter. Regulation number 60, duties of magazine in charge. अगला रेगुलेशन नंबर 61 रेगुलेशन नंबर ड्यूटीज ऑफ रजिस्टर कीपर एंड अटेंडेंस क्लर्क एक्सेट्रा. रेगुलेशन नंबर 62, ड्यूटीज ऑफ ऑपरेटर ऑफ हैवी अर्थ मूविंग मशीनरी इंक्लूडिंग ट्रक टिपर. रेगुलेशन नंबर 63, ड्यूटीज ऑफ ट्रक टिपर एंड डंपर ऑपरेटर. रेगुलेशन नंबर 64, जनरल रिक्वायरमेंट अबाउट माइन प्लान्स. रेगुलेशन नंबर 65, टाइप्स ऑफ प्लान. रेगुलेशन नंबर 66, प्लान्स एंड सेक्शन टू बी सबमिटेड आफ्टर अबेंडन क्लोजर एंड डिसकंटिन्यूएस. रेगुलेशन नंबर 67, सर्वे इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड मटेरियल्स. रेगुलेशन नंबर 68, लिस्ट ऑफ प्लान्स सेक्शन एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड दियर स्टोरेज. रेगुलेशन नंबर 69, preparation of plans by surveyors. Regulation number 70, plans to be checked on change of ownership or on reopening, etc. Regulation number 71, outlet from a mine. Regulation number 72, working shop. Regulation number 73, fencing and gates at outlet. Regulation number 74, outlets from mine parts. Regulation number 75, periodic examination of soft, incline and other outlets. Regulation number 76, appointment of winding engineman. Regulation number 77, new winding installation. Regulation number अगला 78, construction and installation of winding equipment. Regulation number 79, fitting of winding engines. Regulation number 80, shaft fittings. Regulation number 81, man winding. Regulation number 82, multi-decks. Regulation number 83, winding of materials. Regulation number 84, winding in sinking shaft. Regulation number 85, winding rope, etc. Regulation number 86, suspension gear. Regulation number 87, precaution after recapping, etc. Regulation number 88, examination of winding equipment. Regulation number 89, gates and fences. Regulation number 90, duties of person riding or working in shop. अगला रेगुलेशन नंबर 91, जनरल प्रिकॉशन. 92, haulage roadways. Regulation number 93, traveling roadway. Regulation number 94, tops and their movement. Regulation number 95, brakes of haulage engine. Regulation number 96, haulage ropes. Regulation number 97, roadway conveyors. Regulation number 98, examination of haulage engines. Regulation number 99, examination of haulage and travelling roadways. Regulation number 100, locomotive. Regulation number 101, roads for truck and dumpers. Regulation number 102, movement of wagons. Regulation number 103, fencing and gates. Regulation number 104, safety management plan. Regulation number 105, manual open cast working. अगला रेगुलेशन नंबर 106, mechanized open cast working. Regulation number 107, reclamation. Regulation number 108, spoil banks and dams. Regulation number 109, transport rules. Regulation number 110, transport rules. Regulation number 111, development work. अगला रेगुलेशन 112, डेबलरिंग ऑपरेशन. रेगुलेशन नंबर 113, extraction of coal by method other than board and pillar system. Regulation number 114, savings. Regulation number 115, roads and working places. Regulation number 116, powers of inspector. Regulation number 117, pointing out of contaminants during inspection. Regulation number 118, multi-section and contiguous working. Regulation number 119, working under railway and road, etc. Regulation number 120, protective work before a mine is closed. Regulation number अगला 121, working near mine boundaries in below ground mines. Regulation number 122, working near mine boundaries in open cast mine. Regulation number 123, strata control and monitoring plan. Regulation number 124, setting of support. Regulation number 125, withdrawal of support. Regulation number 126, provision of roof canopies or caps. Regulation number 127, steep working. Regulation number 128, fencing and gates. Regulation number 129, examination by Sardar. Regulation number 130, avoidance of dangers. Regulation number 131, working at height. अगला रेगुलेशन, नेक्स्ट रेगुलेशन 131, वर्किंग एट हाइट. रेगुलेशन नंबर 132, जनरल प्रिकॉशन. रेगुलेशन नंबर 133, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कोल सीम अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर डिग्री ऑफ गैसीनेस. Regulation number 134, general precaution against fire. Regulation number 135, surface precaution against fire. Regulation number 136, underground precaution against fire. Regulation number 137, precaution against spontaneous heating. Regulation number 138, precaution after a fire has broken out. Regulation number 139, equipment for fire fighting. Regulation number 140, organization for fire fighting. Regulation number 141, apparatus for testing for carbon monoxide. Regulation number 142, precaution when a fire exists. Regulation number 143, precaution against dust. Regulation number 144, execution of measure for dust control. Regulation number 145, check on measure for dust control. Next regulation 145, check on measure for dust control. Regulation number 146, stone dust barrier. Regulation number 47. Precaution against eruption of gas. Regulation number 148. Recovery and exploratory work. Regulation number 149. Danger from surface water. Regulation number 150. Danger from underground inundation. Regulation number 151. Intentional flooding. Regulation number 152. Construction of reservoir, water dam, etc. Regulation number 153. Standard of ventilation. Regulation number 154. Main mechanical ventilator, its drive and fittings. Regulation number 155. Restriction on installation of mechanical ventilator below ground. Regulation number 156. Installation and maintenance of mechanical ventilator. Regulation number 157. Standing order. Regulation number 158. Splits and airways. Regulation number 159. British doors, stoppings and air crossing. Regulation number 160. Velocity of air current. Next regulation 161. Auxiliary fans. Regulation number 162. Precaution against fire in ventilation appliances. Regulation number 163. Ventilation plan to be brought up to date. Regulation number 164. Obstruction, eruption and alteration. Regulation number 165. Precaution against gas during dewatering and reopening. Regulation number 166. Precaution against inflammable and noxious gases. Regulation number 167. Inspection of unused working for gas. Regulation number 168. Safety lamp to be used in below ground mines. Regulation number 169. Determination of percentage of inflammable gas and of environmental condition. Regulation number 170. Monitoring device. Regulation number 171. General precaution in gas mine. Next regulation number 171. General precaution in gas mine. Regulation number 172. Contrabands. Regulation number 173. Underground relighting station. Regulation number 174. Whitewashing. Regulation number 175. General lighting. Regulation number 176. Electric lighting in gas mine. Regulation number 127. Every person to carry a light. Regulation number 178. Standard of lighting. Regulation number 179. Maintenance and examination of safety lamp. Regulation number 180. Use of safety lamp. Regulation number 181. Maintenance and repair of safety lamps. Regulation number 182. Precautions to be taken in safety lamp rooms. Regulation number 183. Types of explosive to be used in mines. Regulation number 184. Storage of explosive. Regulation number 185. Magazine, stores and premise to store explosive. Next regulation 186. Cases and container for carrying explosive. Regulation number 186. Cases and containers for carrying explosive. Regulation number 187. Transport of explosive. Regulation number 188. Transport of explosive in bulk. Regulation number 189. Reserve station. Regulation number 190. Short firer. Regulation number 191. Short firing tools. Regulation number 192. Drilling, charging, stemming and firing of short holes. Regulation number 193. Use of ammonium nitrate fuel oil. Regulation number 194. Deep hole blasting. Regulation number 195. Electric short firing. Regulation number 196. Taking shelter before firing shot. Regulation number 197. Precaution against dry coal dust. Regulation number 198. Condition requiring use of permitted explosive. Regulation number 199. Precaution in the use of permitted explosive. Regulation number 199. Precaution in the use of permitted explosive. Regulation number 200. Approved short firing apparatus. Regulation number 201. Additional precaution in below ground mines. Regulation number 202. Blasting in fires areas in open cast mine. Regulation number 203. Inspection after short firing. Regulation number 204. Misfire. Regulation number 205. Special precaution in stone drips. Regulation number 206. Duties of short firer. Regulation number 207. General precaution recording explosive. Regulation number 208. Use of certain machinery, equipment and device in coal mines. Regulation number 209. General provisions for construction and maintenance of machinery. Regulation number 210. Apparatus under pressure. Regulation number 211. Precaution recording moving parts of machinery. Regulation number 212. Engine rooms and gear exist. Regulation number 213. Working and examination of machinery. Next regulation is 214. Below ground phase equipment, continuous mining and coal cutting machine. Regulation number 215. Car lifting gears. Regulation number 216. Design, operation and maintenance of heavy earth moving machinery. HEMM. Regulation number 217. General precaution. Regulation number 218. Notice of intention or proposal of exploration for methane submission of the explore abandon of the explore report. Regulation number 219. Submission of the exploration or amendment of the exploration report. Regulation number 220. Notice of commencement of extraction of methane. Regulation number 221. Notice of closure, abandonment or discontinuance of extraction of methane. Regulation number 222. Annual returns. Regulation number 223. Manner of extraction of methane. Regulation number 224. Drill machine. Regulation number 225. Drilling operation. Regulation number 226. Production, drilling and extraction of methane from boreholes. Next regulation is 227. Ventilation plan for methane exploration or extraction below ground. Regulation number 222. Water and gas separation. Regulation number 229. Welding, cutting or fusion, etc. Regulation number 230. Methane gas transportation below ground. Regulation number 231. Sectionalization of methane pipeline. Regulation number 232. Methane and other gas monitoring system in case of positive pressure in reserve. Regulation number 233. Communication. Regulation number 234. Inspection and examination of machinery and equipment for methane exploration. Regulation number 235. Responsibility of owner, agent, manager, engineer, commitment person and official. Regulation number 236. Precaution provisions. 236. General provisions. Regulation number 237. Fences. Regulation number 238. Notices. Regulation number 239. General safety. Regulation number 240. Use, supply and maintenance of protective footwear. Regulation number 241. Use and supply of helmet. Regulation number 242. Supply of other personal protective equipment. Next regulation is 243. Use, supply and maintenance of self-rescuer. Regulation number 244. Obligation of person provided with personal protective equipment. Regulation number 245. Information about sickness. Regulation number 246. Manpower distribution plan. Regulation number 247. Sardar and overman. Regulation number 248. Officer to be literate. Regulation number 249, writing of report. Regulation number 250, payment of fees. Regulation number 251, place of accident not to be disturbed. Regulation number 252, emergency response and evacuation plan. Regulation number 243, taking sample from mine. Regulation number 254, right of the workers representative to inspect, register, maintain under subsection. Next regulation is regulation number 24, right of the worker representative to inspect, register, maintain under subsection Act. Regulation number 225, chief inspector or authorized inspector to be exercise power of regional inspector. Regulation number 256, plant section and record. Regulation number 257, publication of order and instruction. Regulation number 258, appeal to the chief inspector. Regulation number 259, appeal to committee. Regulation number 260, repeal and saving. The CMR regulation is completed. तो उम्मीद करता हूँ यह आपका रेगुलेशन नंबर पूरा याद हुआ होगा और समझ में आया होगा। मैं इस पर फुल डिटेल वीडियो आपके लिए लाऊंगा। शॉर्ट ट्रिक रिवीजन आपको पूरा CMR याद हो जाएगा। आपको मान लेजिस्लेशन से जो भी क्वेश्चन MCQs या थ्योरी जो भी आपको डाटा मेरे पास शॉर्ट मिलेगा नोट्स, मैं आपके लिए बेहतरीन तरीके से प्रोवाइड करूँगा। आपको मेरे चैनल के माध्यम से CIL और DGMS के सारे नोट्स हमारे चैनल पर आपको लेक्चर मिल जाएंगे। तो मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो या नेक्स्ट किसी अन्य टॉपिक पर। तब तक के लिए लिखते रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए, मस्त रहिए और अपने रिवीजन पर पूरा फोकस रखें। धन्यवाद।